I'm going to pick this lock first time. I'm going to pick this lock at an angle of 17 degrees. How about 30 degrees? Ah, expert as always, I see. My refined logic skills tell me that a 150-degree angle would be most appropriate in this scenario. What about an angle of 126? Please don't break. This lockpicking minigame is hard. Wow, never been this low on lockpicks in my life. The lock pipe broke. I really hope 166 degrees is the one. May as well try 155. What else can I do? I'm so lucky I didn't run out of lockpicks. I'm going to get more. Right now. Going to follow the quest for a while. It's only 10 meters away now.